Are you getting an out-of-range error on your gaming monitor and can't see your desktop or game properly? This error usually happens when your computer is sending a resolution or refresh rate that your monitor doesn't support. So in today's video, we will show you several methods to fix the out-of-range error and get your display working again. The quickest way to fix this issue is by starting Windows in safe mode, which loads basically display settings. So to do that, hold the power button to turn off your PC, turn it back on, and interrupt the boot process 3 times. Windows should automatically open the recovery environment. Select Troubleshoot, and then I want you to click the Advanced options. Choose Startup Settings, click Restart, and I need you to press 4 or F4 to boot into safe mode. Once you're safe mode, we can adjust the display settings causing the problem. And number one option that we need to do is lower the screen resolution. So, right-click on the desktop, select Display Settings, scroll down and click Display Resolutions. Then choose the resolution marked Recommended and click Keep Changes. If the out-of-range error was caused by unsupported resolution, your monitor should now display normally. And of course, do not forget to reduce the refresh rate. Gaming monitors support high refresh rates, but selecting a refresh rate your monitor doesn't support can trigger this error. So to do that, open Settings, go to System and then Display, click Advanced Display, locate, choose a refresh rate. So select a lower value such as 60 Hz, 120 Hz, or your monitor's recommended refresh rate. Apply the changes, try to restart your computer, and check if the issue is resolved. Normally, this method fixes all the problem. And then do not forget to update or install graphics driver. Remember, corrupted or outdated graphics drivers can also cause compatibility display issues. So right-click the Start button, select Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and then select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If updating doesn't work, try uninstalling the graphics driver and restarting your computer. What will happen is Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh version. And then, you can also use a different display cable. Sometimes the problem isn't the monitor or Windows setting, it's the cable. Disconnect and reconnect your HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Inspect the cable for damage. Try another HDMI or DisplayPort cable if available. Test a different port on your graphics card or monitor. Remember, a faulty cable can cause incorrect display information to be sent between your PC and monitor. And finally, you need to change the display settings through another monitor. If the error appears immediately and you can't access Windows, connect your PC to another monitor or TV. So, connect a working display, boot Windows, lower the resolution and refresh rate, and shut down the computer. Reconnect your gaming monitor and turn the PC back on. This method is especially useful when the original monitor won't display anything at all. Once you've completed all of these fixes, restart your computer and verify that the monitor is running at its recommended resolution and refresh rate. In most cases, the out-of-range error is caused by unsupported display settings, and adjusting them resolves the problem immediately. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.